Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick demo on how we can use Pop CLI to ensure that the runtime upgrade is valid before executing it on a substrate-based live chain. So basically when we want to do a runtime upgrade, we test beforehand that everything's okay by running try runtimes to ensure that all the migrations run successfully and we are not breaking any state with the new migrations included in the runtime upgrade. And also we like to fork our chain to get a control environment where we can test the runtime upgrade and see that you can keep producing blocks and everything runs well. The thing is that this process usually involves having installed a few tools like try runtime CLI, chopsticks, zombienet, whatever, until now. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Pop CLI, one single tool, to do all this process. So let's go. Let's start with runtime upgrade, and we are going to use Paseo collectives as the example chain, which is at 206, as you see here. So pop test on runtime upgrade basically performs try runtime tests. And if you grade help, you here can see all the available options, but I'm gonna save your time and basically copy paste the right command. As you see here, you specify the target runtime, which is basically the pre-built WASM using the try runtime feature. The block time we are going to use, which is 12 seconds for collectives. Also, we specify which checks we want to run. Here I wrote all, but you can type a different option if you prefer it. And we are going to check it against the live URI. So let me pause the video while this runs. It shouldn't take too much, but anyway. Okay, we're back. It took less than 1 minute actually. And here you see that it ran the migrations against the live endpoint and that everything completes successfully. So, second thing we're gonna do. We are gonna run pop fork to test that the runtime upgrade actually executes correctly. So pop fork will basically fork the chain, the target chain, and create a local fork where we can play. If you just run pop fork, you will get a bunch of chains that you can fork, but as we actually know which one we are gonna use, I'm gonna write pop fork endpoint, and I'm gonna use the live endpoint here. Let me write it correctly, sorry. So let's pick it, just paste it here, and we are gonna use the def flag to ensure that all the def accounts like Alice, Bob, Charlie are found and that Alice is the sudo key. So here you see that collective was forked at this block, and the fork is awaiting us at port 9944. So let's go there, see what's there, 9944. And here it is, collectives, cool. So let me run the authorized upgrade. This is the random I pre-compiled for the demo. Okay, so it's authorized and we can also apply it. We can also apply the upgrade. So it's in the block, and if we go to network, here you can see logs actually. Well, this is the whole wasm probably. Here you see that the validation function is stored. So it takes a few blocks to be applied. So I'm gonna run them and gonna restart the video after it's applied. Okay, so we are back. Here you can see that we are at 207. So the random upgrade already happened. And let's just do a quick transfer from Alice to Alice stash to see that we can produce blocks. So we are gonna send 100 pass. So we sign it. We wait a little bit. Actually, Pop4 produces blocks on demand. So you send a transaction and a block is processed and include the transaction. So let's wait till this is confirmed, but well, Polkadot is a bit slow, but you see that. Alice starts receive the pass, and everything completes successfully. So okay, the runtime upgrade worked. So that's it. Here we have proven how we can use Pop CLI to do all this stuff with one single tool, which is amazing. Hope you enjoy it, share it, and everything.